Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cheddar cheese. Cheddar reigns as one of the best cheeses to include in your nacho recipe. A young cheddar cheese, one that hasn't been aged, will have the best meltability due to its high moisture content. The beer-braised steak nachos from a Better Happier Street Sebastian uses shredded cheddar cheese.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
What cheese is best for nachos? Always buy fresh cheese that isn't pre-shredded. It seriously makes a world of a difference when you grate your own cheese. Some of my favorite cheeses to use when making homemade nachos are mozzarella, Monterey Jack or Fontina.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If those are unavailable, regular store-bought triangular corn tortilla chips also work great for nachos. Just definitely avoid the thin kind. You want thick tortilla chips so they don't break when you lift them.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Steps. Line a saucepan and melt butter. Mix corn flour with water and add well in the saucepan. Add cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Let it cook for medium heat 5 minutes. Serve with bacon if you have.
Take our lead.
There's a ton of sodium, 410 milligrams, and you're only getting 15% of your daily dose of calcium. That means Velveeta is a guilty pleasure today, and that all makes it even more surprising that it wasn't just marketed as an affordable way to feed a family, but as a super healthy way to feed them, too.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The heat from the nachos turns everything into a gross puddle that drips down and makes the chips soggy, and if you grab the wrong chip, you can be stuck with a big mouthful of sour cream. These wet toppings also end up cooling the nachos down too quickly.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.